Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Kunain. My name is 192407774 and my class is 192801. Now I will explain my first material which is computer. What is computer? A computer is a piece of hardware that is closely related to technology. A computer is generally a set of electronic devices that can be used to process data in accordance with various procedures that have been previously formulated, so as to provide information results that are very useful for each user. The system contained in this computer can work automatically based on the program that has been introduced, so that it can produce certain data and programs. Generally, a computer consists of several main elements, namely hardware consisting of RAM, processor, hard disk, CPU, and motherboard. Next, computer functions. There are many functions of a computer depending on its use. Based on the definition of a computer that we have discussed together above, the functions of a computer are as follows. First one, input data. Second, data processing. Third, data output. Fourth, data storage. And fifth, data movement. So that's all for my first material. Now on the second material. Okay, now I will explain my second material, which is about hardware. What is hardware? Hardware is all type of component on a computer device that have a physical forms, can be seen, touched, and felt. The main function of hardware is to provide support for the main functions of the computer, such as input, processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. Next is how hardware works. The way hardware works is based on three basic commands or introduction sets. With this command, hardware can perform various introductions that have been given. Here are their basic commands to run hardware, including first one, basic input introduction. An introduction that can provide information to the software, in this case the operating system, using a driver. For example, when we click on the application with the mouse. Second, basic process introduction. This introduction functions as a mediator between the input and output process. This introduction only occurs within hardware, not the computer system as a whole. And the third, basic output introduction, is an introduction that occurs when there is a command to use the hardware from the user. Next is hardware function. To better understand what hardware is, here are some of the functions of hardware in a computer system. First one, receiving input. Second, providing output. Third, a place to store information and data. for processing information and data. And next is types of hardware. When referring to the definition of hardware, there are many types of device that can be categorized as hardware. For this reason, it is necessary to divide the type of hardware so that they are easier to discuss. At least there are four types of hardware used in computer system. First one is input hardware to receive raw data. Second, process hardware to process raw data inclusion into information. Third, output hardware for disseminating data and information. And fifth, storage hardware for storing data and information. Okay, that's all of my material. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.